Have you ever wondered what coding concepts you actually use every single day as a developer or tester? It's not always about fancy algorithms or rare data structures. It's the simple, powerful building blocks that make our digital world run smoothly. Welcome back, fellow developers and testers. In today's video, we're going to uncover the programming concepts you just can't escape, no matter how experienced you are. From writing new features to debugging tricky issues, from automating tests to building frameworks, these concepts are part of your daily workflow, whether you notice them or not. Whether you're crafting elegant solutions as a developer or ensuring robust quality as a tester, certain fundamental concepts are your daily bread and butter. Understanding these isn't just beneficial, it's essential for building efficient, reliable, and maintainable software. First up, variables and data types. Think of variables as containers that hold information, and data types as the specific kind of information they can hold, like numbers, text, or true-false values. They're the building blocks for storing and manipulating any kind of data in your programs. Next, we have conditional statements, if, else, and switch. These are your program's decision makers. They allow your code to execute different blocks based on whether a certain condition is true or false, guiding the flow of your application down various paths. Loops, for while, do while, are about efficiency. They enable you to repeat a block of code multiple times without writing it over and over. This is incredibly powerful for iterating through lists, processing data, or performing repetitive tasks. Functions and methods are your tools for modularity and reusability. They are self-contained blocks of code designed to perform a specific task. By breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable functions, you make your code cleaner, easier to understand, and much more maintainable. Organizing your data is crucial, and that's where data structures come in. Concepts like arrays, lists, and maps provide different ways to store and manage collections of data. Each has its strengths, making them suitable for various scenarios, from simple ordered lists to complex key-value pairs. Object-oriented programming is a paradigm that structures programs around objects, which contain both data and methods. Concepts like classes, inheritance, and polymorphism allow you to model real-world entities, promoting code reusability and flexibility in your designs. No program is perfect, and errors will happen. Error handling and exception management are about anticipating and gracefully dealing with these runtime issues. By catching and managing errors, you prevent your application from crashing and provide a smoother user experience. For any collaborative project, version control, particularly Git, is indispensable. It allows multiple developers to work on the same codebase simultaneously, track changes, revert to previous versions, and manage different code branches without chaos. It's the backbone of modern software development. Debugging is the art of finding and fixing bugs. It's an everyday task for both developers and testers. Mastering debugging tools and techniques is crucial for efficiently identifying why your code isn't behaving as expected and for ensuring its quality. So there you have it, the everyday programming concepts you absolutely cannot escape as a developer or tester. From defining variables to handling errors, controlling flow with conditionals and loops, structuring code with functions, managing data with structures, collaborating with version control, and squashing bugs through debugging, these concepts form the foundation of our work. Now, we want to hear from you. What programming concepts do you use every single day? Share your essential tools and techniques in the comments below. Let's build a community of knowledge around what truly drives our daily tasks. Thanks for watching, keep coding, keep testing, and I'll see you in the next one.